Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, today is November 8th. It was 23 degrees today. That's like a record. I've never seen it 23 degrees in November, especially almost the second week of November. So we headed her straight to the field, and we're combining the rest of this canola. Slowly but surely. It's pretty dry. I got some neighbors telling me it was testing 10. 10 is dry for canola. You usually want it at about 9, but 10 is fine. I'll take 10. Hell, I'll take 11. There's the other TR. And there should be a John Deere here somewhere. I think it's behind that. I think it's behind those trees. There it is. There it is. There she goes. So the weather is supposed to be really, really nice for the next week. So I think we'll have no problem getting this off. It's amazing how much it dried here, like from 3 days ago. Like you wouldn't even been able to drive on this field 3 days ago, and now you're barely cutting in. It's still muddy, but the only bad thing is I need a cart because we have to run the combines to the truck. I'm stuck with the truck right there. So yeah, we're back combining canola, which I'm very happy. The canola looks to be in good shape still. And when it gets dark, Sean will be puking. Or almost. So I think I'll have to go take over for him. So yeah, just a little update on the canola. Glad we're getting it off. And I will, oh man, I gotta upload some more videos. I got like 3 videos backed up yet to upload. And then this one will be 4. So, anywho, thanks for watching. Make sure to click like if you do like the video, because if you like the video, I'll keep making more. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you again soon.